Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I just wanted to talk about a product that I've been trying out and I've really been enjoying it. But I just wanted to do a quick review. Basically, a bit of a backstory. I've been trying to grow my hair. Like, I've always had long hair, but it never seems to grow past like a certain length, which is so frustrating. But it is my own fault because I bleach it and I curl it and I ruin it. So I'm always on the lookout for products that are going to help with my hair's health. Quick note, I have stopped bleaching my hair just temporarily. I'm kind of going to go for more of a balayage, so I'm not constantly highlighting and bleaching my hair, and I have noticed a dramatic difference in the health of my hair. But there has been a product that I've been sent, that I've been using, that has really helped with the condition of my hair, and it is just a bit of like a luxurious product, and it is this Nanoil. You've probably seen this about quite a bit. My dog got hold of mine, so if you see any marks in it, it's because my dog obviously thought that, you know, this was here for him. So yeah, I just wanted to go into a little bit about this product. Obviously I know a lot of you guys have probably seen it, but it is to help repair your hair. Now, what I like and love about this product is if you go onto their website, they basically have like 3 different options for different hair types. I'm going to refer to my phone because I feel like that's the best. I mean, I know you guys can go on there, but I just want to make sure that I'm getting my facts right. So basically, I got the high porosity one, which is for dry, dull, brittle, damaged and over-processed hair, which obviously mine is because I colour it and because it's long and I like heat on it. So I went for the high porosity. Medium porosity is normal, weak, frizzy, thinning hair, which I know quite a lot of people probably are more likely to have if they've not coloured their hair and it's just a little bit sort of brittle, weak. And there's low porosity, I always struggle with that word, difficult to style, lacking volume and hair. So what I really love about this product is it isn't just a you buy one and it's for all hair types, like, you know, it isn't just a standard, you know, oh, this one's great for everyone. There is different options and there are different ingredients and things in that oil to help your hair, which I really like because it feels like it's a little bit more tailor-made. Another thing I absolutely love about this is it's a really versatile product. I'll get it out for you so you can see. Now, this can be used on obviously my hair, which I do use it. I either use it as a sort of a leave-in treatment, you can use it as like a heat oil, like heated treatment. You can just put it in to tame your hair a little bit after, but I like to put it in, leave it in for a short amount of time. I usually leave mine in for about an hour and then I wash my hair because my hair is prone to getting greasy. So if I put this on after, I'll probably end up with greasy hair quicker, and also because it's the high one, it is obviously more sort of oily, so it's obviously doing your hair better, but it's obviously going to make your hair a little bit oilier. But I'll show you the bottle because I just wanted to quickly show you the bottle. This is such a luxury, it's like a glass bottle. It's like a black bottle and obviously it's got the logo on it. You take this lid and just look at this pump. It's so like, it's just a luxury product. Like, who wouldn't want that sort of around and about their house? But another thing I really like about this is also men can use it. So if you was to get this, you can use it for your hair, but a man, if he has beard, if he has a beard or he struggles with his hair thinning or his hair being dry or whatever issues, it's kind of like a friendly for all product. So although this is a little bit more expensive, I think this is around about the £39 mark. So obviously because it is tailor-made and because it is a bit more of a luxurious product, it is a little bit more expensive. But when you think about it, if you and your partner use this and you are getting 100ml as well, it's kind of like, it kind of ends up being worth it. Now this is something that me personally, I would look at reviews, I would look online, I would look at all these things before purchasing it, which I suggest you do because obviously this was sent to me, which I'm so grateful for, and I got the chance to try it out, you know. But if you was to purchase this, I would just look at everybody's reviews and look online at pictures and, you know, everything like that. That's what I do when I'm going to purchase something that's, you know, a bit more expensive than I usually would or whatever. But like I say, you are getting quite a lot of product. It does have like a little bit of a smell, but it smells like, how can I put this? It's like a, it's nothing obnoxious or anything. It's not a strong smell at all. It's like a hint, and it just smells like I can't put my finger on it. botanical, like healthy, like nice stuff. And obviously this isn't for my hand, but I just had to get an idea of the smell. And it is, you can tell, obviously because it's the higher porosity one, it is very sort of, you can feel it. I mean, you know, I warm it up in my hands, I put it through my hair when, you know, I will put it all throughout my hair before I wash it, but only in the ends. I don't tend to put any oils on my roots ever. When I'm growing it, when I'm trying to make it healthy, I just leave my roots alone. But also it is nice just to, you know, like before blow drying, and you just tend to want to, like, you know, just get those ends nice and nourished before you blow dry. I always use a heat protectant first, regardless of, you know, if anything claims to have heat protectant in it, I always use one anyway. But then I will just put an oil through, and I have been using this oil, and I have noticed, like you could probably notice in my videos as well, my hair used to be sort of about here, and obviously with the not bleaching it, making sure I'm cutting it, drinking water and using an oil, it has grown. So I'm never going to sit and say that this oil is the miraculous thing that made my hair grow, but what I am saying is that it does help to use certain products to help grow your hair. What I would say is I could sit here and I could read you out everything that it says on the website, everything that it includes, but basically what I wanted to do is just make you aware of it. And if you are interested, I would highly recommend going on their website, because there is literally so much information about like what's in it. There's so many different oils in it that is so good for your hair, and it's so beneficial, and it tells you about everything that it does. And I highly would recommend, because this is going to give you more information than me rambling on will do, because you know how it's laid out and the images and things like that, it just makes more sense for you to go and have a look on there. So I just wanted to let you guys know, and yeah, I will do an update as to see how it grows out, because like I say, now I'm not bleaching it, it's growing quicker, so maybe I can let you guys know the other things that are helping me. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly do a video for you guys, and I will see you in my next video. So bye guys.